Instagram is all about engagement and the content value perceived by the end user. More and more influencers and brands are catching in on the latest and greatest ways to create amazing content for their audience. So it becomes harder to stand out from the crowd. With more than 500 million active users on Instagram, it is a great source of traffic for marketers. Here comes the use of the mobile application StoryBoost, the story editor. It is a part of the suite of apps called BoostApps. It is a mobile application that makes the process of creating content for Instagram easier and more effective, and it takes few minutes. After you have downloaded the app, you have access to more than 1,000 templates to choose. You can then add unique animations, stickers and filters, animated text and more. With the help of this mobile app, you can easily create beautiful stories impressing your fans, followers and customers. The other two applications that make up the complete bundle are VideoBoost and PosterBoost. These two applications focuses on providing users and brands tools and features to create video and image content that stands out from the crowd. Steps to use StoryBoost. 1. Choose a template from the 1000 plus which suits your brand. 2. Add photos, videos, text, stickers or GIFs. 3. If needed, you can add filters. 4. Add animations and transitions. 5. You can also add filters to your photos. You would be amazed by your creativity to see how well you can share your story with your followers and customers. Click the link in the description to produce videos without the app.